So guys, this is the buffer zone Johnson. There's a heavy road renovation going on here. So as you can see how the traffic looks. Yeah. Hey guys, it's your boy Prince. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the road renovation here on this Brikama Banjul highway. Yeah guys, you see what the road renovation caused here. It caused traffic jam, as you can see. So they're removing this asphalt here. They're gonna put a new one there because this one are old. Just take a look guys, these ones are old and it get a lot of potholes. So they're removing this one, putting a new one here, so they are clearing it. Yeah, as you can see, this is how it gets clear. So all the vehicles are using this other lane here. All the vehicles are using this lane. Yeah, as you can see. This is what is going on here on this road. This is the Brikama Banjul highway. The way I'm facing to leads to Brikama, and when you go like this, it will take you to Banjul. Yeah. So this is what is going on here. It causes traffic jam. The traffic is so congested, as you can see. This is what it's caused here. Yeah. So you can see the machines over there doing the work over there. Guys, this is Alan Latrikunda. I start the video from buffer zone Johnson, and this area is part of Latrikunda. So guys, as you can see, that machines over there are removing the old asphalt. Yeah, because the road was so bad. It was so bad. Guys, you see, this is what is going on here, and then I start the video from there. Yeah, just take a look. I start the video from there. Guys, this is what is going on here on this road, on this highway. If I'm not wrong, this highway is the main highway in the Gambia. Yeah, it started from Banjul to where I don't actually know where does it stop. So this is how they are doing the thing here. So guys, you see, these are the asphalt they are removing here. Let me just walk through it so that I can get a better view for you guys out here. Guys, you see, please subscribe on this channel, like the video. Yeah, it really helps a lot. So guys, this is where they have stopped yet, but I know that they will continue further. Yeah, so vehicles are using this lane. As you can see, this is the lane which they are using right now. So guys, as you can see, this is all what I get for you here. So if this is your first time here, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. I'm out. Peace. See you next time. Love you all. Ciao.